Hello, this video is intended as a review for Intro to Legal Studies students to remember what you're seeing when you're looking at a case in Nexis Uni. So we've gotten to this case by searching for federal US cases. We have to remember change that on the main screen when we search. And I'm looking at a Supreme Court decision, Griswold versus Connecticut. And we have right at the top, we remember this is essentially our citation, the name of the case, the number of the reporter it's in, the page the reporter starts on, and the name of the reporter. This is the U.S. Reports, the main one for the Supreme Court. We can change the reporter. We can see these other versions, the Supreme Court Reporter or the Lawyer's Edition, and when we change that, this changes up at the top. So if we were citing this in the Lawyer's Edition, we could still copy this and use it as our citation. We don't want to export the citation using this. Even if we change it to Blue Book, we can look and just see this is not even close to what we're looking for. But luckily, we have this right at the top. We can see information, core terms about the case and stuff, but as I mentioned to you all in class, what we're really going to want to do is be able to scroll down and find when the case actually starts in the opinion. One thing you can do to make this easier if it's a longer case is we have this box at the top that says Go To. I can pick different sections of the case. If I want to go to the opinion, just go to the opinion. We have it right here. The opinion starts. Justice Douglas delivered the opinion of court. Here we go. I can do the same thing for any concurring or dissenting opinions. There's a concurrence here and a dissent. If I want to hop to the dissent, we can hop right again. We have Justice Black and Justice Stewart, the dissent's right here. And we should remember, just as a review again, any of these highlighted ones here, these within the brackets, the bolded page numbers, those are the number of the page we're on. If we were citing this dissent, the beginning of the dissent here, all this stuff is on page 507 of the reporter. Anything after here until we get to 509, between 508 and 509, is on page 508 of the reporter. If we wanted to change what reporter we were in, a different number would be bolded, so we can see we're on page 530 of the Lawyer's Edition here, but we always just want to go with the default bolded one when you're citing your sources. Don't forget also we have the Shepherd signal for every case, so if we hop back to the top of the document, you'll also see that little yellow triangle is right there. And again, yellow is going to be there's some issues with the case, maybe parts of it have been overturned or parts of it have been changed. There's some disagreement within the law, whereas a red stop sign means that case is no good anymore. It has been completely overruled or overturned or otherwise made invalid. And something green means, hey, look at that, there's no problems, although that's going to be something pretty rare. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to a librarian. You can talk to me, Tommy, at tcrawford@lakeforest.edu. Good luck!